second one is the indefinite pronoun. Then we have learned also about the interrogative pronoun. Now relative pronoun. So what is relative pronoun? So see, the relative pronouns are pronouns that introduce dependent or relative clauses in sentence. Okay, and they can also stand alone as a subject or object of a sentence. So relative pronouns are pronouns that are used to join two sentences and reveals the relation with the noun that comes before it. So relative pronouns means the pronouns when we use that relative pronoun to show the relation uh, with the noun and the noun which is come before it. Okay, so so the relative pronouns, see, let us see some examples of the relative pronouns here. I know the man who is fighter. Okay, so in this sentence there are these are the two sentence and it's these two sentence joined with who. Okay, now see, I know the man who is fighter. Okay, so here the relative pronoun who is used. Okay, so here who is telling the relation of the man. Okay, who is also a man. A man, I know the man and the man is fighter. Okay, these two clauses, these two sentences join here with who. Okay, and here in this sentence who is telling about a man, who is telling his, who is showing the relation with the man. Okay, now see second example over here. I like book which has a hologram. Okay, so here also there are two sentences. I like the book and the book has hologram. Okay, so here they have to tell the relation with the second sentence. Okay, so here they join that two sentence with the pronoun which. Okay, so see here, I like the book which has a hologram. So here in this sentence which is also that is that book. Okay, so meaning of the which is also the book. Okay, I like the book, but which book? The book which has hologram. Okay, so here that which is indicating the book which is showing the relation with that book. Okay, so whenever the types of pronouns come in the sentence, so at that time you have to identify that pronoun. Okay, so what is relative pronoun? The pronoun which show the relation with the noun in the sentence. The pronoun which show relation with the noun in the sentence, that is relative pronoun. Okay, now next one is, here is a chart, and in this chart there are some uses of the some relative pronoun. Okay, so see in this chart, who, whom, whose, and that. We use this relative pronoun for a person. Okay, but the cases are different. Okay, so who we use in the nominative case means as a subject. Okay, whom we use in objective case means as object. Okay, whose we use to show the possession means we use it in a possessive case. Okay, now that also we use for a person, but as well as things, that is used for a person as well as thing, and also which is used for the thing. Okay, so these are the uses of some relative pronoun. Okay, now next type is demonstrative pronoun. So see here what is mean by demonstrative pronoun. The pronouns that point to specific person or things. Okay, the pronouns that point to specific person or things means whenever you have to talk about a particular a specific car, then you what you will say, this car or that car. If you are talking about that particular person, then you will say that this person. Okay, so this person is our relative. Okay, so whenever you have to talk about the particular person, specific thing, at that time you use the demonstrative pronoun. Okay, but demonstrative pronouns are these, that, then this in plural form and those in plural form. Okay, so these are the demonstrative pronoun. Which one? This, that, this and those. Okay, these are the demonstrative pronoun. So see here, pronoun, what is demonstrative pronoun? Pronoun that are used to show or to indicate some noun are called demonstrative pronouns. Let us see some examples over here. First one, this is my house. Okay, so here this is indicating the particular house. Okay, so this is my house. There is a house and it's telling that this is my house. Okay, so here that this is showing the specification of the thing. Okay, now see next one, those flowers, those are lily flowers. Okay, those are lily flowers. So here are some flowers. Okay, and here those is indicating that the flowers are of lily. Okay, so those are lily flower. Here we have to show that the specification. Okay, the particular thing, specific thing, that is the which flower, that only lilies flower, not of the rose. Which flowers? Lilies flowers. Okay, those are the lilies flower. Okay, so when we have to note, when we have to show, and or when we have to indicate some noun, some particular noun, at that time we use the demonstrative pronoun. Okay, so next one is distributive pronoun. So what is distributive pronoun? Distributive pronouns means pronoun that are used to show the distribution of a noun. Okay, so these are the some, everyone, then some, each, every, either, neither, everybody, nobody. These are the distributive pronoun. Okay, and let us see some examples over here. Each soldier has a gun, means every soldier has a gun. Every means, see, just think that each means that if there will be 150 soldier, then every soldier, 150 soldier has a gun, means there is a distribution within a person. Okay, now see the next example, any of these books will do. Okay, so in this also there are so many books. Okay, and any of these books will do. So here also in this next example they are telling the distribution of the books. Okay, so this is the distributive pronoun. Okay, now next one is the reflexive pronoun. So what is meant by reflexive pronoun? The pronoun that are reflect back to the subject. Okay, pronouns that show the effect of a verb upon the subject are called reflexive pronoun. Let us see some examples over here. First one, which are the reflective pronoun? Reflective pronouns are myself, ourselves, then yourself, himself, herself, themselves, itself. These are the reflective pronoun. Okay, so see examples over here. We enjoyed ourselves. Okay, we enjoyed ourselves. Okay, so see in this sentence, ourselves is reflecting upon the subject we. Okay, the pronoun ourselves is reflects back to the subject we. Okay, we enjoyed ourselves means we enjoyed. Okay, ourselves. Now see next example, she praised herself. Okay, so in this example herself is reflecting back on she. Okay, so when in the sentence the type of pronoun is used, these pronouns are the reflective pronouns, and reflective pronouns reflect back to the subject, means they always reflect on the subject. These are the reflective pronoun. Okay, now see. Now see here in the standard 8. Okay, relative pronoun always come